Xander and I are off to the Nature Center to take a hike over here. We're not really enjoying the trails over by us because they're steep and difficult. So, looking for something a little easier. Hopefully it's up here. Hitchcock Nature Center. Rode into the trail. Very liberal speed limit, 15. Usually it's 10. Some folks here already. It's 10 o'clock. I guess this is the early walkers. Well, let's go up here to the other parking. We have an overflow parking lot. I don't know how far away that is. So I guess I don't know if we're going to make it there or not. Is this the trail? Go up here. Xander, you're gonna make this too long. Let's go. I may need to come back by myself. We'll see. Down here, Xander? Down here? Stop. 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 I sure do like shooting videos of my shadow. Actually, it's because I do my hiking in the morning. Well, that's one of the reasons. The other is poor planning. I should be shooting this. Xander, can we go? I mean, we haven't even left yet. Oh. This way. It'll help, I guess, maybe. Oops. Boy, he is off and running. So it's got a real cool boardwalk. Xander, stay back from there. Got these real cool danger zones. Oh, no rail. And of course Xander's gonna go peek over the side. We have some folks in front of us with two small children, and they always get freaked out when a big dog comes by, so I'm trying to give them a little room, although they have pulled off the trail, so I'm going to go now. Well, we get done with the boardwalk, and here's the trailhead, which is blocked off. No sign up the top, no sign here, just blocked off. So I think I'm going to take Xander back up on the trail that's next to the boardwalk and see how that works. Let's go this way, bud. Up, up. Well, the one thing that I've noticed on my walks, there are a lot of trees that get blasted by lightning around here. There's another one over there. A lot more that I've seen that I didn't video. Julie said they get some really nasty storms out here. I can believe it. boardwalk from below. There's no vendors on there though. I wanted a good hot dog. I had a good hot dog last night. Getting close to the top. Interested to see what this trail does. Hopefully it keeps going. Getting close to the top. Closer. Another downed lightning strike tree. Well, we could walk the trail all the way up, or we can go up the steps. Trail it is. There's the top. Come on, dude, let's finish this. Come on, Xander. Wrong way. Up the hill, please. We're right there. Alright, so here's where we parked. I'm gonna walk down here and find out what this is. Bummer that the trail was a bust. But there's lots of places to walk around here. Old dead staghorn sumac plants. Oh, hey, there's some. Right there. See, Julie? It does grow around here. This way, bud. This actually looks like some sort of lodge. Xander, no. Natural Areas Management. Alright, I'm curious. Stop. Come here a minute. Interesting. Stay with me, bud. I mean, not want to be back here. All right, let's go. Little goat head. Let's go. I don't know why he always does that to me. Wraps me up. I gotta get spinned, get dizzy, fall down. No, I don't fall down. Oh, I bet that's how you get to the tower. All right, we gotta walk down here now. Wow, nice view from here. Oh wow, there's a building from Omaha. Hold on, let me zoom and we'll see if we can see it later. Okay, I can actually see 3, maybe 4 buildings. And then there's this valley. Alright. Let's go down and check out a sign, Xander. Oh, it's a lodge. We're not going that way, bud. Yeah, but there's a pole I gotta sniff. This way. This way. Boy, see how he leans into that? Let's go. Come on, we're up here. Oh, I love my dog. Here's a quick look at my living room. Let's look at it from another angle. I cook out here sometimes because it gets too hot in the camper. Dining room table, living room chair, dog. Views for miles. Okay, well, Xander and I went for a morning walk, and the trail that we went to was closed. Not realizing that there were a lot more trails in a different area. And look at that. "13 easy trails, 10 moderate trails, 6 difficult trails." Now, I thought I was already on a difficult trail, but it was Honecky. It's a moderate trail. So, I think I'm going to spend another week here. I'm enjoying my visits with my sister, and Xander is enjoying the walks. It's very quiet and peaceful here. We had 2 new campers roll in last night, but they're quiet so far anyway. But the weekend's coming. Be very interesting to see who shows up and what happens. Heading up the hill on Honecky Trail to see what kind of sunset pictures I could get tonight. I always dig a good sunset. Dig. I guess that's my age showing again. Beautiful evening. Gonna get chilly tonight. Down to 32. It's cold. Really glad the furnace in the camper works so well. I'll keep it at 65 if I put it on 65. Good stuff. the sun sure went down fast tonight. Probably, well, it was definitely less than 5 minutes. But I got some shots. Unfortunately, there weren't a lot of clouds, so not anything spectacular. Okay, that's enough for tonight.